Welcome to KCSOC's November 2025 Day Retreat. We are excited to welcome over 300 students from across 30 different universities here at the Bhaktivedanta Manor. We've got so many different workshops going on, from yoga, art, careers, and we're even going to be able to interrogate a monk as well as spend time with the cows.
And seeing other people progress kind of just brings that light and energy within yourself as well.
You guys put towards to bring everyone together. That's really inspiring.
And I think the key thing about this event was the fact that it was just different. I've never been to anything like it. It was just, I was always doing stuff. I never felt bored.
Never seen so much like joy and like energy in one room, and it's so like, it's just amazing.
I really appreciate how real the friendships are and how much everyone genuinely cares for one another.
I just feel happy, I feel filled. I don't know how else to explain it. It was just unreal.
The association I had with all the guys here was incredible. The chance to ask a monk, which has been a trained brahmachari for so long, has been so insightful. I would never get that opportunity anywhere else.
You come here and everyone is just so happy and just so grounded and so just, it's just the energy is unmatched. It's something you won't believe until you actually experience it firsthand.
Truly enlivened, because you realise that every single person is just taking a step forward in their journey towards really finding their purpose.
It's a real special community of friends that you'll see across years, and I think that's so rare outside. We always have friends for seasons, but this gives you friends for life.
Krishna Krishna Hare